to start question 133. Sir, the preparation of documents for implementation under engineering procurement construction mode of contract is under process by the World Bank, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, with regards to the reply given by the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, just 2-3 questions with regards to this particular bridge. Now I'd like to ask whether the DPR of the said bridge, is it complete or not?
Sir, in fact, the original DPR, previously it was already completed. But before floating tenders, then again we have problem because of the non-availability of land, which is to be supposed to construct the said bridge. So due to that again, ultimately we have to change the alignment, and the alignment is shifted downstream of the existing one, the existing proposal. So therefore, sir, now the World Bank is undertaking the documentation of EPC mode, and once the selected bidder is selected by the World Bank, they will start again for preparation of DPR, sir.
So 2 more questions. Yeah. What is the exact approximate estimate of this particular bridge, and whether funds have been allocated by the World Bank or not?
Sir, in fact, the original DPR, the amount was 20 crore 49 lakhs 41,356. But as I've already stated, due to change of alignment, again now the documentation is still on, prepared by World Bank along with the state PLUD, and once the documentation is over, then bidder, whoever becomes successful, he will again go for DPR and then all the detailed technical survey, and thereafter they will submit the DPR to the World Bank for necessary sanction.
So you might be aware of this particular location in Shella. See, sir, this particular bridge, it connects, it's a missing link between East Khas Hills and Umïam, and giving its strategic location, be it in the form of transport, military, and other modes of communication. See, now, just one last request. Whether this particular project, will it start this year or not?
Sir, for that, I can't indicate anything right now, unless the documentation process is complete. Because right now, as I've already stated, the documentation process is still on. Once that is done, then they will go for the process of tendering, and once the selected bidder is selected, then they will start again going back for preparation of DPR.
So last question, whether our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister and the department will take necessary steps to make this function as soon as possible, because it's a requirement and a necessity to our people in the state. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. As already mentioned by the honourable member from Shella, sir, this construction of this bridge is very, very important, no doubt about it. Therefore, the government and the state PLUD, we are in touch with the World Bank. So once the DPR is completed, I am very sure sanction will be also accorded simultaneously, sir.